So when I do that, how's your low back feel?
Feels all right.
Yeah, you don't feel any pinch or anything like that?
Towards the right, on the right leg.
Like in there. Let's get this middle part of your back. Nice deep breath for me. Want it all the way out. Good. You're pretty tight through here, so that's what we have going on with your neck. Good. How'd that feel?
Oh, really good.
Good. I can bring this leg over so I can adjust and then just drop your leg off. So right through here is where you're having most of the pain, right? Let this relax for me. Let's go to the other side. Let's get this middle part of your back. Stay right there. Nice deep breath for me. Went all the way out. Good.